Hi, my name is Rob Leiponis, President and CEO of Parabit Systems. At Parabit, we focus on designing solutions that enhance safety, optimize the user experience, and deliver long-term reliability. Parabit's solutions tends to ride on the periphery of all the other solutions that are out there because we look at what doesn't exist and how could we create it and how can we perfect it. Over the last few years, we've taken a very scalable approach to all of the engineering projects that we've taken on. And it has really allowed us to expand our solution base. Within a year, we've grown from 600 to 700 active products that we sell. Last year was the greatest number of clients that we've ever serviced in the 30 years of Parabit Systems. We're always trying to maintain a very scalable architectural design with all of our solutions, so that way, as clients come up with new use cases, it allows us to react quickly to be able to create solutions for whatever is an issue for them. What really wakes me up in the morning that makes me want to come to work every day is all the development that we do, because on a weekly basis, Parabit is developing at least 1 to 2 new solutions, whether it be a mechanical device, a software solution, a software feature, an integration method. Our engineering teams are constantly agile. They're never still. They constantly have a backflow of projects to work on, as well as we work very collaboratively with our clients to share with what we're developing for other users to make it a standard for any of our other clients that are purchasing our products. We love to share with you what's new, what's improved, and what we're working on.